Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Leo, this is for the weekend of the 18th of September. And these are general collective readings, Leo, so will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send us the messages they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. So Leo, thank you. All my subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for all your love. And if you're new here, do join us, subscribe to the channel. We're a Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of love readings, you and yours, monthlies, and weekend love bites as well. This is going to be a mini read, Leo. Oh, Wheel of Fortune in your favor. I like that, Leo. I like that. So let's see. Before I open your cards, Leo, I'm going to take an angel blessing card as well to top the reading. So my angels, what do you have for Leo now? Blessing, advice. Beautiful message for my Leos, my angels, please. You're a leader. Of course you are. You're the lion, lioness. Bottom of the card, I also have forgiveness. So if something has just passed, you've been through some hard times, forgive the past, forgive yourself, forgive the people you've been dealing with, Leo. It's really not worth carrying it into your future because you have wonderful things coming ahead. You are a leader, right? That's all you have to remember. You are the lion, you are the lioness. So go forward in life with that thought. Forgive anything that happened in the past because if you're going to hang on to pain, it's going to slow your progress down. Now the Wheel of Fortune is now in your favor now, okay? So use it, ride this wheel and move forward as a true leader that you are. So let's start opening your cards, Leo. Seven of Swords in reverse, Eight of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Okay, so that's what's happened. Seven of Swords is a card of somebody who snuck away, I think, from your life, or you're in the process of moving away. This could be a commitment, a committed relationship, and now it's kind of coming to an end, and it's not making you feel very good. You're feeling very stressed out at the moment. I see that with the Eight of Swords energy. Very, very, very stressed out. Look at this. I have the Nine of Swords and the Eight of Swords. So both cards are, sleepless nights, worrying about things, worrying basically, just stressed out. And this is self-imposed. Whatever happened, Leo, like I already said, it's already now on its way out. The Wheel of Fortune has already started to move in your favor. Take that ride. Stop worrying about things that are passing or have passed. Why I'm saying it could be a broken relationship is because I have the Four of Wands here, right, with the commitment card. So if something has become redundant, it's over, it's breaking, like there's no point worrying about it, Leo. Just let it go now. You are a leader. Just remember these two cards in your head now. Okay, you're a leader and the Wheel of Fortune is now going to move forward after this. Whatever has happened, let it go. Let's see the next three cards. Okay, let's take a card for the Four of Wands as well, Spirit. What's this Four of Wands? Yeah, there's been there is going to be some communication regarding this weekend. But Leo, the faster it happens, faster it kind of finishes as well. So if there is some communication coming to you regarding this commitment and stressing you out, I think it's better to now kind of heal yourself. Yeah, just heal yourself. Your wishes are coming true. You are going to move forward now. You're coming across as the Queen of Pentacles. Now don't go by the gender of this card, Leo. This is again somebody who's a very kind, nurturing, caring person who also is very stable. Okay, so everything good in the world is now on its way to you. All your wishes are going to come true for you. There is going to be some news or some forward creative new beginning which is coming for you. And when it's like, Leo, if I have this card in my hand and somebody gives me, let's say, another card, I can't take it till I put this one down, right? So that it's a similar situation. This situation was very bad and it's ending and it's stressing you out. But do you see what's coming in for you? All your hopes, dreams, desires are going to be fulfilled. You are going to move ahead in a very happy way. Let's see what's happening for the weekend then. I haven't clarified these cards. Spirit, what's the star card for Leo? If you felt rejected, Leo, in the past, in case you did feel rejected and you felt, everything is over now, okay? Don't worry, there's going to be a big renewal coming into your life. All your dreams and hopes are coming true after this. Forward movement, as I said. You will have now a relationship which will be totally balanced. I have two cards suggesting the same. The Temperance card and the Six of Pentacles. Both cards say the same thing. What you need to feel balanced and happy in your life and abundant is this. An equal partnership which is headed your way. This new beginning is waiting for you, Leo. Take it. Okay? Instead of feeling stressed out about what is ending, concentrate on what is coming. Let's see now your weekend cards. 3 of Wands, very nice. Page of Pentacles and the 8 of Pentacles. Very, very good. So Spirit, clarify the 3 of Wands for us, please. 3 of Wands is basically a person who's turned his back on the past and now waiting to see what the ships, these 3 beautiful ships, are bringing, towards for a new beginning. Right now, I don't think you're feeling any of your dreams have come true this weekend. So what you are trying to do is, I think, initiate something new this weekend. Okay? Maybe take a flirty message somewhere, trying to scout your area to see, where else, who else. Trying to have some kind of fresh beginning with the Page of Cups. Spirit, what's this Page of Cups? New love, equal partnership. 8 of Pentacles, Spirit. One more card. Leo, even though right now, I think this weekend you are waiting and watching, okay? You're not feeling at your best. Though you want to either take this little love offer to someone else. I think this is a new person because you have the Page of Pentacles here. Or you're expecting one, okay? Expecting somebody to come your way. You are looking for this equal partnership, but right now, I think in your mind, you're thinking it's more trouble than anything else. Do I really want it? Okay? And that's why I think this weekend, Leo, you're going to take it a bit slow. You're going to turn your back towards anybody or anything and maybe concentrate on your work. Things are making you feel very restless in the love department. I think you're just kind of healing from this and heading towards this, but you haven't come to that point where you can actually take any solid action towards anyone. I think this weekend, Leo, it's time to go within and forgive your past, forgive yourself, so that you can be ready to move on to something brand new. Keep your vision to the future now. Forget looking at the past. Okay? And soon the Wheel of Fortune will be in your favor. That's all I have for you, Leo. Have a good weekend. Heal, rest, because I'd see good things coming for you, especially in your love life in the future. So I'm going to see you next week. Love and light. Namaste.